What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a toaster that's not working. My name is Rick Burrows. You're watching Fix It Rick. Let's fix it. The first thing you should look for when your toaster is not working is to check the power. Check this circuit breaker. The majority of toasters are plugged right in the kitchen outlet. And you'll notice that it says GFCI protected outlet. That means there's another plug that looks just like this, but it has a little reset button on it. They're usually in the kitchen or the bathroom. So we found the outlet that has the two buttons on it. You can see right here where it says that it's been tripped. All you have to do to reset it, push it back in. Now you can test and see whether or not you have power. If your toaster is still not working, let me show you how to take it apart and fix the problem. What you want to do first is flip it over. You want to remove these little rubber feet. I can tell by looking inside this is going to be a Phillips head. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. If the screw is still inside, you just take a magnet and then it'll just grab it. Next we have to take this piece right here off, which simply pulls off. Sometimes there'll be a little spot where you have to push in and then pull. Now we can just take this body off. Now a word of caution here, you never want to have this plugged in as you're taking this thing apart. Now you can see the part that goes up and down and it makes contact with this switch. These switches are notorious for getting food caught in them. So you want to look around and you want to push it manually and see if there's any good contact. The last thing we're going to be looking for is the fuse. The fuse is usually located around the switch or behind the circuit board. Go ahead and unscrew the screws on the circuit board. Move that aside. Turning the circuit board over, you would want to look for a fuse like this big. This toaster does not have a fuse in it, but now you know where to look. Go ahead and put this back on. We'll put this guy back on. Now let's put the screws back in on the bottom. Put the little rubber boots back in. This one only had 2. If this video helped you out and your toaster is running again, leave a comment below, subscribe to Fix It Rick, and smash that like button. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve